Yes, I've been doing this all freaking day and I love it. Yes, I get so many questions about Catherine, what products are you using? Why are your curls so much fuller and so much like shinier? Like what's going on? Don't worry, sis. I'm gonna give you all the deets, all the deets. Keep on watching. All right, so the curls, are my passion. I love the curls and I love making money online, okay? I ain't gonna lie, I'm not shy about that. So I'm gonna tell you because this is actually true, okay? People say that all the time, but I actually did. I got calls, I got texts, and I got DMs. And actually people on the street are asking me what's the deal because the confidence has gone to a whole nother level, okay? And the bounciness and the touching is ridiculous, okay? I am doing it probably way too much, but who cares? So I decided last year in May to stop cutting my hair because I was cutting my hair every 60 to 90 days for some odd reason. And then I was complaining that my hair was not growing. When every time I had to color my hair, I had all this growth. So the hair was growing, I was cutting it, I promise. Can you believe that? Anyway, so I stopped doing that. And then I noticed that my hair was growing, but the hairline that I was using was not helping me get there faster. Like the curls are long, as you can see by my bangs, and you can see the length here. Yes, length, yes, right? But I want more. I know it's possible. And I was looking at more oils, different oils, because my scalp was getting a little, because I was kind of overdoing it with the oils because I want the curls to be like here when they're dry, okay? They're there now, but I want that dry, like here. That's the goal, okay? So my oils, my homemade oils were not doing it. And someone said, hey, we have this oil, it's amazing. Do you want to try it? And I'm like, I don't know, I'm the DIY queen. I don't know, but my scalp was a hot mess.com, okay? I'm not gonna lie, it was a mess because it was overactive. I was putting way too much stuff. And my curls are 3C curls. My curls don't really like oil. Like, it would just look greasy and like wimpy and like not good, okay? So she insisted, she said, sis, you're gonna love it. You can always return if you don't like it. That was the magic words. I'm like, okay, fine, I'll try it. This is the oil, it's called Rejuvenique. Pretty fancy pants. The packaging is amazing. It smells divine. And I tried it because I spend money on myself. Like, I was born in May, and you know what they say, we like the finer things in life. It is true. It is true. I tried the oil. Oh my God. Like, amazing. I've been using this all the time and I was hooked within weeks. I can see the difference. My scalp clear up. My hair was thriving and I'm like, there's something about this. Then I found out that this company puts the same oil in about 90% of their products. And I was like, okay, this other line is great, is clean enough, but it's not getting me to where I want to be, right? So I'm like, I gotta try many things. And I'm gonna just go all in with this line because the oil is working, my face loves it. I'm gonna try it and see what happens, right? So I decided I get 2 shampoos just because I'm like, I'm gonna try things out. And I got the volumizing Revive shampoo, and I also got the shampoo and conditioner because I'm not a shampoo person. I don't really like shampoos, but this right here, my hair is not stripped. The scalp is so soothed. I don't know whatever it has. I don't even need to know. It's got some sort of mint, peppermint thing that just leaves your hair so clean, but it's not stripped. In love. Then of course, because I love to deep condition, the Replenish mask. Amazing. You leave that on for 15-20 minutes, either with a hot hat, or I also use my steamer. And it's amazing. You can leave it on all day if you want to. That's what I do sometimes when I don't have time to use the hot hat. It's amazing. I wash it out. I don't put anything else on instead of like in terms of conditioners because I don't need to. My hair is like amazing. Okay, and that's it. I take it out, and then this is the routine. This is what has given me, I want you to see, can you see this? This is day 4 here, day 4. Okay, day 4. So this is what I do. I go in with the Restore Leave-In Conditioner, not a lot, just a few pumps. A little bit goes a long way. Then I go in with the Curl Defining Cream. Not a lot either, maybe like a quarter size for each side. Like I do my hair 2 parts like this, and I do quarter size this way, quarter size this way, okay? I know it's a lot of hair, but you don't need that much because, listen, the VIP, okay, of this, the guest of honor of this amazing curls and the shine and the volume is the mousse. The mousse, the Moxie Magnifying Mousse is the business. When I tell you that my hair is not crunchy, ain't nobody got time for that. Or hard or anything, no, I won't do that because I don't like gels. And mousses usually and me, like, no. But the shine and the definition and the whole without the crunchiness and the smell is soft and clean, and like, people want to touch your hair. Don't be touching people's hair though. I've been telling you that for a while. Don't be touching people's hair. You can ask. I'm gonna say no, but you can ask. Well, if you ask real nice, maybe in a good day, okay? But I'm kidding. The mousse is everything. The mousse is everything. Again, this is day 4 hair, day 4, and the curls are vibrant. My scalp smells amazing. That's what I'm doing right now. I switch over for a couple reasons. Again, I want my hair to grow fast. I want my scalp to thrive. It's doing that. And also, because I don't have enough income streams. If you have been here for a while, you know I have about 42 because I'm a business owner. I'm the author of 24 books. But you can never have too many income streams. As I said to you before in a previous video, the average wealthy person has about 7 to 8 income streams. And this girl cannot have enough of that, okay? Because I am called to give a lot, to help a lot of people. So I'm ready to give more. And I love hair. I cut my hair, I color my hair, I style my hair. I have a full line of hair products that have replaced the other line that I've been using for a while because I want bigger and better results. I want my hair to thrive. I want my hair to be bigger, but I don't want my hair to be frizzy. No, I don't want my hair to feel like out of control. Ain't nobody got time for that. And I also wanted to add another income stream where I can help people. I literally just helped someone that has a very similar curls pattern than me. They don't like curls and they don't like gels, and they don't like crunchy curls. And their hair pattern is very similar to mine. And I'm like, girl, I'm gonna give you my formula. Like, I'm gonna give you the setup. I'm gonna give you what I do, and you're gonna love it. And she was so happy. Like, I was not selling or anything. I was just sharing because people keep asking me, and I want to have a video that I can send so they can know what is my process. And then this same person say, hey, I want to make some more money too, and I like what you were doing. And people ask about my hair all the time, so I want to join as a partner, and I want to add this as an income stream. And I'm like, you have come to the right place, and you're gonna love it, and you don't have to sell. Like, I didn't sell anything to you, right? She's like, no, you were helping me, and she already knew about the line, and all she needed was to see it from someone that she trusted, and maybe they had the same or similar hairstyle, and to be passionate about it, and to trust me, because I've been talking about hair for years, since I went natural, and that's been a minute. Like, I was 21 when I went natural. I did the whole big chop, and it's a big part of who I am, and I take care of them. I love my curls. I had to learn how to love my curls, and I want to help other people as well. I am the content monetization strategist. I love income streams. It is my passion. I'm excited about income streams. Listen, like crazy. So taking care of my hair, helping other people have amazing hair as well, and make money. Like, seriously, it's a no-brainer. And I don't have to sell. I always say, I'm not in the business of sales. I'm in the business of solutions. Like, if I have a solution, I will share with people. I'll be honest. I'll tell you what I like, what I don't like. And I'll tell you what I use, how I use it. And then if you want it, great. If you don't, I'm still great. Does that make sense? So these are the products that I'm using for my hair. Again, I am using, let's give you the right shampoo, the shampoo and conditioner. Then I use the mask once a week, 20 minutes. That's all you need. Then I go in with Rejuvenate. This oil I use on my face, on my eyebrows and eyelashes. Amazing. I use this. Then I go in with the leave-in conditioner, quarter size on both sides of my hair, of the curl, defining cream, and then the VIP, the mousse that will not leave your hair crunchy or hard. So there you have it. If you are interested in the line, leave a comment, let me know. If you want to become a partner and you're like, Catherine, I want to partner with you. I want to make more money. Why? Because I can, because I want to, because I've been hearing about it, and because people ask me all the time, like, you are an influencer. If you got people to buy whatever thing you bought on Amazon, like I remember the time that I found these amazing magnetic lashes. If you haven't heard about them, let me know in the comments. I'll hook you up. Amazing, amazing, okay? So I got several people to buy them. I didn't get paid, but I was excited. I was challenged with the other ones. I have a whole bunch in a drawer that I cannot use because they're too hard for me. The magnetic ones, amazing. I influenced them, but really what I did was help them because somebody helped me with them. I helped somebody else. So yes. Hair is a big deal for us girls and men too. I've seen some guys with amazing hair, amazing curls, and you can help them and make money at the same time. Why not? So if you want to partner with me and Monet, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna put the link so you can get started today. Have amazing hair, whether you want to have amazing hair and become a partner, or you just want to have amazing hair, I can hook you up. I'm your girl. As you can tell, I am excited about curls. I'm excited about hair because it was such a big source of pain for me. Like literally, I was called names. I was made fun of. People will pull on my hair, and people that have curly hair have very fine, most of the time the hair is very fine. So they thought it was funny to break my hair. Oh my God, I could cry just thinking about that. And once I learned how to take care of it, how to tell people not to touch my hair, to respect my privacy and my personal bubble, my personal space, I haven't looked back. And I would help as many people as I can with the styling, with the products, with the tools. And maybe now that I have everything, I was waiting for one more product. I have them all now. I'll probably record myself with the entire routine so you can see it beginning to end and see even how I diffuse. So you can see how amazing your hair can look with products that are vegan, natural, animal cruelty free, and smell amazing. I mean, the packaging is ridiculous. Hello. I love seeing them. I love the light purple. It's so like airy and like a spa, you know, like a spa. So there you have it. That's my routine. That's how I get my hair to look like this. I promise that I will do a tutorial showing you beginning to end how I get this to look like this. And I am excited that you're gonna be able to go back and look at my videos and be like, her hair is getting longer. And it has been, if you have been wondering. Yes, it has. It has. All right, let me know all your questions in the comment section, like all of them. I'm gonna put the link so you can apply to become a partner, or if you just want to get the products, I'll have the link for that as well. In the meantime, remember that I love you, that I'm rooting for you, and I'm gonna see you super, super duper soon.